One of the biggest mistakes website owners make is to limit their marketing and traffic generation efforts to online methods only. Let's face it, as much time as we spend on our computers these days, most of us are not online 24/7. If you're not making an effort to tap into offline marketing opportunities, you're missing out on a boatload of traffic. Let's take a look at some ways you can promote your website offline. The Yellow Pages. You'd be surprised how many people still use telephone books to find what they need. Advertising in your local Yellow Pages is an inexpensive way to promote your site offline. Turn your car into a traveling billboard. You don't need to invest in expensive car wrap advertising. A bumper sticker, license plate holder, or magnet that sticks to your door will work fine. Everyone you pass on the road will see your website's name and logo. Clothing. Have your domain and logo printed on some t-shirts and baseball caps and wear them proudly. Give a few to your family and friends too and let them be your mobile sales force. Sponsor a local sports team. The Houston Rockets and Chicago Bears have plenty of cash to spare, but what about your local Little League team? Help sponsor a team by paying for uniforms and equipment. You'll get plenty of press with each game played. Plus you'll be doing good for your community. Radio and TV. National advertising is beyond the reach of all but the biggest websites, but there's nothing wrong with your local television and radio stations. You can reach a whole new audience with thousands of people who had never heard of you before. Snail mail. Direct mail advertising was around long before the internet, and it's not going away anytime soon. It can be expensive though, so you'll want to track your campaign carefully to be sure you're not losing money. Gifts and freebies. There are lots of places that will put your name and logo on just about anything: pencils, calendars, coffee mugs, etc. These inexpensive trinkets make great gifts for prospects and associates, and they serve as a reminder of what you have to offer them.